I'm Mike with Ware Landscaping, and we're at a job site in Downers Grove right now. I just want to take a second and kind of go over what we're doing. We're doing a massive French drain around both sides of the house, and that's all draining into this giant well where we are right now. A lot of cities and villages will require, especially with new construction, where you do a big giant well to make it where the water can leach out underground. That's exactly what we're going to be doing here. You can see all through here we have a perforated pipe with a sleeve around it, and then we also do fabric around it, and then there's 3/4 clean gravel that is all around the pipe. We got catch basins, and that's all going to drain into this giant well down here, which we're going to put 6-inch perforated piping all through here, and then we're going to backfill it all with clean gravel. And then what we'll do, and that's what we're going to bring the Bobcat down here and lower that a little bit more. But you can see this French drain also leads into this as well, and it's the exact same thing. The important part of the French drain is it's gonna make sure that the whole yard is always dry and drains properly. But then this well here, it'll be able to dissipate through here, and then what we'll typically do is we'll give it a release where it can then drain out into a low point of the yard. But when it's done, it's going to look awesome. They're going to have a bulletproof drainage system back here. Everything will get regraded and sodded as a part of the project. And just kind of wanted to take a second and go over the midway point, and really excited how it's turned out.